In this module, you are learning how to send surveys using Dynamics 365 Customer Voice to gather feedback from customers. This video will demonstrate how to create an email template, adding personalization from survey variables. From a survey, the Send tab is selected to access the options for all of the ways to send out the survey. From the Send panel, the Email option is selected. If an email has already been sent, this will be accessible from a Resend menu instead. At least one template will already exist. This may have been slightly customized if a project template was selected upon creation, or a default template if the project was added from blank. If other templates have already been created, they can be imported from existing surveys or from the user's other personal templates they created. From the list of the templates found, one can be selected, reviewed, and then imported. The template is then added to the project and can be edited as required, making sure to review any variables already in the template to make sure they fit in with this new survey. The template can also be renamed and deleted if no longer needed. The first thing that can be edited on the template is the subject. Different text can be added, and survey variables such as the first name can also be included. Next, the body of the email template can be modified. This includes removing or adding variables and text as requirements dictate. From the top Insert menu, all existing variables can be seen in a list. If one is required that does not already exist, the New Variable option can be selected and the variable added from the side menu. Once it has been created, it can then be included in the email template where it makes sense to do so. As changes are made to the template, they must be saved prior to navigating away from the screen, otherwise the changes will be lost. An indication message will be displayed when the save is complete. Navigating back to the survey, we can see that the first question is a ratings question. If the survey has a choice with a single answer, or a rating using the star or the smiley option, or the Net Promoter Score question as the first question in the survey, this can be added directly into the email template. Going back to the template, the Insert menu can be used to add the first question directly into the body of the email. When the recipient receives the email, they can answer the first question by clicking on it from the body of the email and are then taken directly to the survey with the same answer displayed. Images can be included in email templates. This is done by clicking on the image icon in the editor tools and providing a URL to where the image is hosted online. Alternative text and the alignment of the image can be set, along with a hyperlink if the image is clicked on. The source icon provides access to the HTML of the email template, which can be modified to adjust areas if required. The background and text colors can also be changed using specific hex numbers or the name of a color. The editing tools can also be used to adjust the font color and style without needing to edit the HTML directly. One final save of the email template makes it ready to go, and it can now be used when sending out survey invitations either directly from Dynamics 365 Customer Voice or by creating a flow using Power Automate.